Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Now besides needing thank you cards, I need birthday cards in my stash. So I was smashing some paper. I made a couple of small mini albums. They're previously done, so if I don't remember to link them down below, just look in my channel and you'll see the mini albums I made with birthday paper. But I had some left over. I mean, it was maybe 3 sheets. Most of them were cut into. And I'm just going to show you a quick way of doing cards. So this had a 3x4 cut apart. I cut it down a little bit, and the back side of that paper, I think it was the back side, had some paper that coordinated. So I just put both of those on a mat that coordinates together with the paper, because it had this teal color. And it just made a nice little card. So you can make a simple card that way. I did the same here. Now the size of the matting is a little bit different, but it's a great way of taking those cut aparts and making a little card. This one I got a little fancy schmancy. I mean, that's a cut apart. I think it said HBD inside here, underneath there. But there was this cut apart. It was mostly white space, but it had a cake and it said, "The best kind of cake is more." So I cut that out and popped it up, which I don't think you can see the dimension there. You can. But it just made a very interesting card with the colors and everything. So that's another one. This was actually from a different collection. I have had this collection in my stash. I mean, it was a Tuesday morning collection, so you know from there. This was actually a tag. I just cut that out. I took this is pattern paper. I don't know if you can see the pattern. It's so hard with the glare of the gold foiling. But I took the pattern paper, put it on a gold foiling mat. I took a scrap of this, put it on a gold foiling mat, and then the tag I put on a gold foiling mat. It's simple. I mean, there wasn't a card sketch. I just layered different things. And then I did the same thing. And then for good luck, because it says it's a good day for a party, and then I took a little pennant, which I fussy cut from the paper, and that says Happy B-Day. So that is it. Just some ways of using up scraps of birthday paper to make some cards. So now I have them in my stash. So I also have in my stash this origami kimono, I guess it is. And my sister-in-law's birthday is coming up, and I want to make something. So that is going to be my next project. So this has been in my stash. I'm going to go through, see if I have anything else in my stash that I can use to make a card for her out of this. So stay tuned. I will try to do a video on how I make this into a card. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I could use a few more subscribers. My goal is to hit 10,000, which isn't a lot looking at other people, but I know most of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe. I know I don't usually do cards. I've been on a kick lately just because I have single sheets of pattern paper I'm going to be using, but I try to intersperse it with mini albums and mini album tutorials. Well, thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.